Good day, students. This is science class for grade 7, chapter 4, heat. In this video session, let us learn the applications of convection and the third mode of heat transfer, that is radiation. Applications of convection. Convection has numerous applications in our daily life. Some of the applications are room heaters, air conditioners, and the exhaust fans. Room heaters are placed on the floor of a room or at the lower level. The heater warms the air near the floor, and when the warm air rises up, the cool air will sink to the floor to fill the empty space, and this results in heating of the room. So this is the way the room heaters will heat the whole room. Next is the air conditioners. Air conditioners are fitted at the higher level on the ceiling. So this cools the air which then sinks towards the floor. The warm air near the floor rises upwards, and this process will continue and it will result in cooling of the room. Exhaust fans, they are fitted near the ceiling of a kitchen, which ensures the escape of hot air and gases that rise up. Next, let us study the third mode of heat transfer, that is radiation. Radiation. The methods of conduction and convection require a medium for heat to flow. And which is that medium? Conduction takes place only in solids. Solid is the medium, and convection takes place in liquids or gases. So they require a medium, either solid, liquid or gas, for the heat to flow. The molecules of the body play an important role in these processes, that is the conduction and convection. There is another mode of heat transfer by which heat from the sun reaches us, and that is radiation. In this method, heat travels in the form of waves. And this mode does not require any medium for the heat to flow, and it can take place in vacuum. The radiation is a process of heat transfer from a hot body to a cold body without the involvement of any medium. The energy involved in this process is called radiant energy. Radiation does not need any medium. It can take place in air and water as well. And since the waves travel with the speed of light, radiation is the fastest method of heat transfer. When we sit near a fire, the heat from the flame reaches our body by the process of radiation. All hot objects, solid, liquid or gas, they emit the radiant energy. When radiant energy falls on another object, it is partially absorbed and it is partially reflected back. The amount of heat absorbed or reflected depends on the nature and the color of the object. Dark colors are good absorbers of radiant heat, while light colors are poor absorbers and the good radiators of heat. So let us next see the applications of radiation. So radiation has applications in many of our day-to-day life situations. During summers, we feel comfortable wearing light colored clothes. In winter, wearing dark colored clothes keeps our body warm. This is because light colors are poor absorbers of heat and dark colors are good absorbers of heat. And in cold and hilly places, the outer walls and the roofs are usually painted dark to keep the houses warm. So these are the applications of radiations. So we have learned the three different types of modes of heat transfer. They are conduction, convection and radiations, and some of the applications of these modes of heat transfer. Thank you, students.